One of the most common requests we have received from AlgoTest trader is, can we manage our stop losses targets on the basis of delta instead of premium points? And the feature is finally here. We have introduced delta-based SL, target and trail SL. This gives traders another way to manage their position using option Greeks instead of premium. So in this video, we will see how you can use this feature in AlgoTest, and along with that, we'll also see how you can build a delta neutral trading strategy using these features. So without wasting any time, let's get started. As you can see on my screen, we are on the AlgoDash dashboard, and if you're a new user watching our video first time, you can create a new AlgoDash account using the sign up link in the description. So since I already have an AlgoDash account, I'll just log into it. To access the delta-based SL, target and trail SL feature, we'll go to the backtest section from the top navbar. We'll click on the strategies, and now as you can see, this is a normal strategy builder page. So we will be creating a delta neutral strategy on Nifty only. We'll set the time of 9:17 and the exit time will be 3:29. Once you come down, we'll see a leg builder option. So in the leg builder, in strike selection parameter, we'll use a closest delta option and we will sell a straddle of 40 delta. So now we are going to put a SL on this position on the basis of delta. For that, I will just turn on the toggle of stop losses. Once you click on the stop loss button, you will see a feature of delta points. We'll click on that. In the delta points, we will set this as 30 on both legs. So what does this mean? We are selling a straddle which has a delta of 40 and we are going to exit the straddle when our 40 delta becomes 17, which is 40 plus 30, which is our stop loss. Then we will exit the straddle, and same goes for the put side and call side. The thing we should remember here is, when you are selling an option, the SL will be on the upside, right? And when you are buying an option, the delta based SL will be on the downside. Let's take this selling example where we have sold a call which has a delta of 40 and we have set a stop losses in delta in 30 points. So it means when our 40 delta strike becomes 70, 40 plus 30, then we will exit. So this is an option selling example. Now let's talk about when you are buying an option and setting in delta based stop loss. So in that case, let's say you are buying an option which has a closest delta strike of 40, your stop loss is 30 points delta. In that case, your position will be exited when your 40 delta strike becomes 10 delta strike, means 40 minus 30 is your stop loss. So this was all about the stop losses. Now let's understand how you can set targets on the basis of delta. We'll have to enable the target option, and similarly we'll go to the delta points, and here we can enter any value, 20 points. We have set a delta of 20 points in target. So it means when our strike delta becomes 20 from 40, then our target will hit. So this was all about target. Now let's understand how you can set delta based trail SL. So the first thing is, to set a delta based trail SL, you have to use delta based SL in your leg. Since we have already used delta based SL in legs, we'll just enable the trail SL toggle, and in the drop down you will now get a delta points option and delta percentage option. You can use any of the option to set the trailing stop loss, and here the logic is pretty much similar to our premium points option. So let's say I've selected delta percentage option and I have entered the value of 10 and 5. So what it means is, since I have sold an option, whenever my delta moves 10% in my favor, then my stop loss will move 5%, right? And same goes to delta points option in trail SL. So now we have understood how you can set stop losses on the basis of delta, target on the basis of delta, and trail SL on the basis of delta. Now let's move forward and see how you can build a delta neutral expiry day trading strategy using this feature. So to make it delta neutral, we will be using one more option. In the legwise setting here, we will use the square of as complete. So what it means is, whenever my one of the leg delta stop loss is hit, it also exits my another of the leg. And along with that, I'm also going to use a re-entry option, which is re-entry on SL and re-SAP S1 on both of the legs. So what it does is, whenever my one of the leg stop loss get hit, my delta is not in neutral now. So what it will do is, it will exit my another position also, and then it will create a new position which has a neutral delta. So now our strategy is ready. Let's see how it has behaved in the historical backtest. We'll backtest it from 2024 to see how it has performed. The result looks good, but before going ahead, we will have to add slippages and taxes and charges into the strategy. So we'll add taxes and charges and 0.5 slippages since it is an option selling strategy. And since it is expiry day trading strategy, we'll also use the DTE filter to only trade this strategy on the day of expiry. We'll click on the DTE filter and this is a delta neutral Nifty expiry day trading strategy result. The curve looks smooth. On 2024, it has made a 53,000 rupees profit. On 2025, it has made a 22,000 rupees profit. And in 2026, it has already made a 39,000 rupees profit in the backtest. When we scroll down, we can see the equity curve of the strategy and the drawdown curve of the strategy. And in the drawdown, you can see it has not broken its max drawdown from last 2 years, which means the strategy has been performing very well. And if we talk about the stat, the win percentage of this delta neutral trading strategy is 57% and the max drawdown we have is 24,000. And along with that, the risk to reward for this strategy is 1.21. So now we will save this strategy and then we'll see how you can execute this same strategy in live. Nifty delta neutral, we'll copy the name, we'll save it. To execute this strategy on live, we'll just go to the AlgoTrade section, AlgoTrade, and we'll come down, we'll look for the same strategy and this is our strategy. We just have to click on the activate button to trade this strategy on the live market. To sum up, in this video, we have seen how you can use delta-based stop losses, targets and trail stop loss, and we have also seen how you can create a delta neutral trading strategy using the same feature. If you want this delta neutral trading strategy directly in your AlgoTest account, then comment strategy in the comment section. If you have found this video interesting, please like the video, and if you have any doubt, you can ask us from the comment section, and we'll see you in the next video.